Hi bro, this is your experiment already completed. So experiment number 3. So I am showing the output right now. So you see here, when you click on this thing, according to question only I am doing. So first of all, what they asked, only you need to take one thing. This one you need to take one, and some push buttons you need to take, and some resistors. So this is the circuitry what I connected. So left button, right button, down and up. So the program I wrote, and it is executing properly. And within these limits only the dot mustard should be rotated. So if we click on this thing, so that dot is started at 0, 0. That is asking. So dot mustard should be started at 0, 0. So see. So I think you are able to see this dot. Okay. So now according to our push buttons pressing, so this one is going to move. So if I want to go to left, okay, so just to press like this. Okay. So this is the way. So if I press it, this thing also it doesn't move outward direction. So down or right, so up. So wherever you want to go, so according to this thing you will. Okay. So this is the way. So it is working perfectly. So I am showing the output. Okay. So it is not going to go out of the bounds. So every time only one LED you need to blink. Okay. So all are satisfied. See. So some resistors are there, and the push buttons are there. So this is the circuit, and yeah, if you want this thing, you can ping me, and I will send the project zip directly. Project zip I will send, and otherwise I will send the link also. Okay, thank you. It is working properly.